Welcome to a new video. Today I will show you what we did here in the hot springs of Tolantongo, Mexico.
Hi, we currently left our van and we're gonna go see the Tongaloo caves, whatever this name is. There are hot springs here and we're gonna go. We made it.
Ready? Jump in.
I jump in.
Dive in.
The pools were perfect to sit and relax in. We easily spent hours just sitting in them. This whole area is filled with such picturesque views, it is impossible to get bored of them. We eventually made our way out towards our van.
Okay, we're currently heading towards the grotto section or the caves of the area.
We walked along the river towards the cave and tunnels in the area. This section is easily my favorite spot here. The views you can see are simply breathtaking and the tunnels are a must go to. The water in the tunnels was very warm, and the experience you get from just sitting around and looking at the formations around you is unforgettable. After, we headed towards the bigger cave section where most of the people were. I really like this section because there is cool water coming from the falls, so that way I don't get too hot from the hot water, so I can easily cool off and last longer in this spot.
Okay, we just finished. We got our bag back from the lockers and we're heading back to life to go check out the pools again that we went to this morning. Check out the boys and we're gonna meet up with the boys again.
We went back to the pools from this morning for a quick dip. We did not stay for very long because we needed to get back to the van to finish up school for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out more and stay up to date with our adventures. See you next time!